Good morning, students. Today we are going to see question tag. Question tag. A question tag is the shortest form of a question using the verb plus pronoun with question mark. Question tag are of two types, positive tag and negative tag. Positive statement. A positive statement uses a negative tag. Structure of question tag: auxiliary verb plus int plus pronoun plus question mark. Example: it is bright, isn't it? They are playing, aren't they? Ram was sleeping, wasn't he? Let us see this. It is bright. See here, this is it is bright is a positive statement. How? Because there is no not or no here, so that it is a positive statement. So what we have to do, auxiliary verb is, then not we have to add, and pronoun it, then question mark. So isn't it? They are playing are in they. Ram was sleeping, wasn't he? Negative statement. A negative statement uses a positive tag. Structure of question tag: auxiliary verb plus pronoun plus question mark. Example: it is not bright, is it? They are not playing, are they? Ram was not sleeping, was he? So there is not here. So these are all negative statement. So what is the structure? Auxiliary verb, the is, then pronoun it is a pronoun, then question mark. So is it? They are not playing, are they? Ram was not sleeping, was he? Rules for framing question tag. Rule 1. If the sentence is an affirmative or positive sentence, then the tag must be negative tag. Example: we are doing assignment, aren't we? Okay. We are doing assignment. This is a positive sentence. So we have to use aren't we, negative tag. Rule 2. Negative sentence. That is, we have, for this we have to give positive tag. Example: they weren't shouting, were they? Here you just see not here. So this is a negative sentence. So we have to use positive tag. So where is the auxiliary verb? They is the pronoun. So where they. Rule 3. Noun. If the noun comes, we have to change that into pronoun. See here, example: Raju was eating a banana. So here, noun, what is noun here? Raju. So don't use the same thing here in question tag. We have to change that into pronoun. So wasn't he? Then rule 4, I am. This is in positive. So we have to use aren't I. So example, if I am a singer, aren't I? See, this is a positive sentence. So we have to use aren't I. But if it is a negative, rule 5, I'm not. So for that, am I? Example, I'm not writing, am I? Rule 6. In the sentence, if used to comes, we have to use didn't. See, example, I used to sing when I was young, didn't I? Don't use that used to here. Okay, so we have to use did here. Then rule 7. No auxiliary verbs. In a sentence, if there is no auxiliary verbs, we have to think about do, does, and did. Example, I want to hear music. So, don't I? Shilpa draws well, doesn't she? We went to Agra, didn't we? We just here in this first one, there is no auxiliary verb in these sentences. Okay. And want is the main verb. So you have to think about what tense it was. So it is, so want is in present tense. So you have to think about do or does. But does come only for that is third person singular. So you have to use do. Okay. So I want to hear music for the don't. So this is in a positive sentence. Don't I. I is a pronoun. Shilpa draws. Draws. That is the third person singular. So you have to use does, and Shilpa. Shilpa is a girl. So you have to use she. Then that is also noun. So you have to use pronoun. We went to Agra. You just see went is the past tense. So we have to use did. So didn't we? Rule 8. It's an imperative sentence. Let's. So in this, if the imperative sentence starts with let's, then we have to give question tag shall we. So example, let's pray for our world. Shall we? Okay. Then rule 9. This is also imperative sentence, but there it won't start with let's. Then will you have to add. So example, pass the salt. Will you? You know already know about imperative sentences. So in this pass the salt, see there is own subject. It starts with verb. Okay, so pass the salt. Will you? Then rule 10, there, you just see in the subject there, then that is the noun, it's acting as a noun, then there comes as a pronoun also. Example, there are 10 trees are in there. Rule 11, has, have, had act as an auxiliary verb, then we have to retain has, have, had. Example, the bell has rung, hasn't it? Rule 12, has, have, had. So if it is acting as a main verb, we have to think about do, does, did. Example, Rosie had fever, didn't she? Now let's see the difference between these two. If it is has, have, had as auxiliary verb, you just see this has rung. Has is auxiliary verb, rung is a main verb. Then we have to use the same has here. Okay, has or have or had, whatever comes, you have to retain the same. But this in this had is a not a auxiliary verb. This is a main verb here. Okay, so if it is a main verb, you have to think about do, does, did. This is the past tense, so we have to use didn't she. Then rule 13, if the sentence starts with everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, none, nobody, etc., then you have to use they, okay, in the question tag. Example, everybody cheered, didn't they? Then rule 14, hardly, rarely, barely, scarcely, etc. You have to consider this as a negative sentence and you have to give positive tag. Example, they rarely lose their points. You just see here, rarely comes. So this is a negative sentence. So you have to use do they. Do how comes lose. See here the main verb lose. This is in present tense. So you have to use do and they. Do they. 15th rule, no, none, never, not, neither, nor. These are all negative sentence. You have to think that as negative sentence, you have to give positive tag. Example, Ria is not going to come today. Is she? Okay, see here not. So this is a negative sentence. So you have to use positive tag. If it is never comes also, you have to use the same thing. Whatever comes, you have to use the positive tag. So this is a contracted forms. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't, can not, can't, shall not, shan't, am not, aren't or ain't, could not, couldn't, need not, needn't, should not, shouldn't. Now let's see some examples. Supply suitable question tag. You just see here, Swapna is dancing well. See in this sentence, this is a first you have to identify this is a positive or negative statement. So this is a positive statement. How it is a positive statement? There is no not here. So this is a positive. So we have to give a negative tag. Then you just see the auxiliary verb is. So we have to retain the is. And this is a positive. So you have to use not. Then Swapna. Swapna is a noun. Okay, girl. So we have to use she. Okay. So isn't she? Question mark. Then let's go for a walk. We already saw in the rule. Let's comes means we have to use shall we only. Okay. So let's go for a walk. Shall we? Then the sun sets in the west. Just see here. So sets in the present tense. Okay. So that we have to see do or does. But this sun is a third person. Okay, singular. So you have to use does, ain't. Then the sun. So we have to use it, doesn't it? Then our team won the match. Here you see this is also a what sentence? Positive statement. So we have to give negative tag. One is a past tense. So you have to give did. Okay, there is no auxiliary verb. So you have to see the main verb only. So one is the past tense. So did, ain't, our team. So it becomes we. Okay. Then plants give us fresh air. So see here also there is no auxiliary verb. If the auxiliary verbs comes, it's very easy. You can take the same thing. But if it is there is no auxiliary verb, then you have to see the main verb and think about the tenses. Okay, here it is in present tense. So we have to use do. And because you just see that plants is a plural. So you have to use do only, not does. So do and there is no not. So ain't, don't. Plants is the plural. So you have to use don't they. Then he was climbing the tree. Just see here, Was already comes, that is auxiliary verb. So was, then there is no not, so ain't, was ain't. He is the pronoun, so you have to use the same pronoun here.